Insert opening price using the API key and the batch URL provided in the environment. Define the function name, analyze log, anomaly, log file, path release, they are listed. Inside the function, read the entire content of the provided log file, app log under the OpenAI directory. This is our app. The construct the API calls using both system messages and user messages. System instruction is critical. You must instruct the AI to editor focus only on the critical and provide the summary part, two-part summary, the error type and the immediate impact. This is the OpenAI chat should be model should be OpenAI GPT 4.1 messages of role user content will be prompt. Before that, we need to change your directory. Hit open. Project. Now our working directory will be changed. Now we go to the log analyzer will be we need to edit out as it is a task. We need to write OpenAI, client OpenAI, API key should be OS environment get OpenAI key and dash URL should be this is our OpenAI dash and the OpenAI variable. So we have to put into the calling from the variable of client. We have defined our function name analyze log analyze str should be we need to put in the log analyze. Inside the function will be the entire content of the provided log file. So we need to open file the log file path. This is our log file. Log content of fp. Messages variable. API call using the both system message and the user message. The system instruction is critical. We must instruct the AI to act as an auditor. So we need to given the messages to when you are a senior quality engineer and log auditor. The task is analyze provide a log file and focus only on critical names. They have provided context two part of we have mentioned here and the two part of summary layer type and then immediate impact. So we need to give in the two part and then we need to send the prompt as the user. The API using the prompt should be model using OpenAI GPT 4.1 of mini and message should be maximum content. Should be the rating. You can see if your messages will be called to the role, user and content and prompt. So we are putting the variable to messages of here. The message will be called the role, system, content and then user role. So that everything will be called under the message part. We are defining the variable here. So it will be called to messages. And after we need to return response choice 0 message. Now it will be the main execution called a function is the part of root open a project and then app lock. So it will be called to that summary. Print only the raw summary to the console. So after we need to then we have APK dash URL in the dash profile. Now we need to run before our log file environment. We need to set our environment. Go to the terminal and set our environment. Python 3 minus m env env. Set our environment and activate the show environment. Activate our show environment. env in dot then activate. Activate the environment and install OpenAI. OpenAI will be installed. Now we need to run the command. This last method to run our key. After running our key file, we need to run using our file name setting log and answer.py. checkout list. Because the output will be error happen, we have already given the prompt to them. If you have any